Well, Sam, I'll come to you to begin with because you scored the first, you created the second for this man next to you. It was an excellent evening of football for Wrexham.
Yeah, I thought we played really well. We probably should have scored a few more in the first half and maybe put it out of sight, but they had a few chances as well. Just buzzing to be in the next round.
I've got to say, what a strike from yourself for the first. What was going through your mind at that point?
Just go across goal as hard as I can and see what happens, really. Yeah.
Paul, difficult conditions this evening, to be fair, but it didn't seem to detract from the game at all. It was end to end all the way.
Yeah, the pitch was really difficult tonight. We knew that going into it looked like it was a little bit waterlogged, looked like we were going swimming at times, but I thought the football we played tonight was magnificent at times. We moved the ball really well and created the space, especially for Dalby's goal, and we've had loads of chances in the first half and the game should be out of sight, just purely of fantastic football from us. And I think obviously the pitch made it difficult, but we didn't let that affect us tonight.
And of course you enjoyed that FA Cup run last season. You're in the hat for the next round as well. What does it mean to the lads?
The FA Cup's massive for this club. We've come obviously in recent history, but there's a big history of the FA Cup at Wrexham and all the famous times that have gone before us. And last year I think we put a real good run together, and this year it means a lot to the lads. The gaffer told us before the game what it means to the town. We knew that anyway, but we had to go out and represent them. It is a different competition to the league, and I thought we did that brilliantly tonight, and now we're in the next round and we can look forward to that.
One disappointment this evening, Sam, was to lose Andy Cannon in the way that we did. It didn't look good when he came off. Very disappointing.
Yeah, hopefully he's all right. We're obviously not sure how bad it is at the minute. Hopefully he's going to be fit as soon as possible. Everyone's a bit disappointed he had to come off. He was excellent today, so yeah, hopefully it's not too bad.
Well, listen, huge congratulations. You're in the draw for the next round. Lloegr Nghwpan. Thanks so much.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.